Electric water heaters acting up? Let me show you how to quickly troubleshoot and fix those tank or tankless units without losing your cool. First off, check out the heaters outside. If your tank is rusty or the tankless box is yellowed, honestly, it's probably time to replace the whole thing. Repairing won't cut it. But if everything looks solid, here's the game plan. Unplug the power to stay safe, then use a voltage tester on the outlet to make sure power is really off. Next, pop open the access panels. You might have one or two. And hit that little red reset button if you find it. After that, shut off the water supply and drain some water to reduce pressure before you pull out the heating element for a closer look. If the element is fried or damaged, swap it out along with any temperature control parts that look sketchy. Once you've got those replaced, turn the water back on and plug the heater back in. Keep testing it to see if the heat comes back. Patience is key, but you totally got this. One of the biggest issues people run into with electric water heaters is ignoring signs of rust or corrosion, which kills any chance of a good fix and leads to leaks or failures. The fix? Don't waste time. Replace the unit instead of patching up a rusty mess. Another common mistake is forgetting to cut off power before working inside the heater, which is super dangerous. Always double-check power is off with a voltage tester before touching anything. Lastly, folks often skip draining water before removing elements, which can cause a big splash or water damage. So, always shut off the water and drain pressure first to avoid surprises. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's great for contractors wanting to find steady work and grow their business without all the hassle.